How to enable backup codes on Roblox. Now this method is very easy and quick. First is open up your Roblox, but before that ensure that you're using the latest version of application on Roblox to avoid crashes, bugs, and any kinds of issues. Access your Roblox app and make sure that you're already logged in into your account. Now the lower right you should be able to see more, tap that, scroll down and go to settings. From here choose on security and then you'll be redirected into two-step verification. So for you to enable backup codes, you need to have any of these options here. Say for example on email, authenticator app, or hardware security keys, and authenticator app as well. So that's the only option that you can go. To enable the codes, the most convenient way of doing this is via an email. Tap email and then Roblox will send you your unique codes to the email address that you have associated in your account. Open up your email address, wait for a couple of seconds until you will receive that code. Copy this code right here, and then paste it into your Roblox account. Once you've fully verified it, you should be able to enable backup codes. And that's how you enable backup codes on Roblox.